Hello, good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. My name is Michael from Hong Kong. I'm the sales of the Asian country. So today I'm going to introduce the G-Code's motion control demo keys. Why we producing these demo keys? First, we want to display displays our Recon motion control solution with G-code function. Okay, this is the first purpose. Second purpose, we want to show you guys our intercat communication between the PLC and with the 3E servers. The third one is for the to display our PLC interpretation functions. The last one also is for our marketing team demands for exhibition. Okay, so our motion control solution can be used in like the laser, okay, lasering machine, okay, robots, and also engraving machine, okay, and also CNC, and I believe we also have a lot of the automation industry can use our solution. Okay, so okay, we go to next. So okay, let's I will introduce the whole hardware is are used in this demo keys. Okay, the first is the our 15-inch HMI. Okay, this is our 15-inch HMI. Okay, our 15-inch HMI. Previously, we made the introduction videos on internet to introduce our 15-inch HMI. So now I'm not going to introduce the hardware or something like the data sheets like this. I will introduce the function that is used in this system. The first always is HMI. Okay, HMI. Okay. So this 15 HMI we use the 6V free tag protocol. Okay, 6V free tag protocols to communicate with our 6V PLC. And second function is used is in the Lua script. Okay, Lua script. And the third functions is used in this demo is the mapping. Okay, that's my mapping function. Mapping function. Okay, so this is the main function is used in this whole system. So our HMI we have the in our company we have the 3.5 inch, 4.3 inch, and 7 inch, and 10.2 inch, until to 50 inch. Our 50 inch is our largest dimensions HMI in our company. Okay, and also our 15 HMI can support local LAN monitoring. This is the first one by IP address. This is by IP address. And secondly, can be for the external internet. We can use the WINET for remote access. So this is the two ways to remote access this HMI. Okay. Okay, this is the HMI. Okay, we go to the PLC. This is PLC. Okay. So here is our system PLC. You can see looks like this. Okay. The first in the main CPU we have the 8 digital input and 8 digital output. Okay. X stands for the input, Y stands for the output. Okay. And then we have the intercat. interface here, and also internet interface here. And here we have the two IS Wi-Fi. So IS Wi-Fi, and here is the for the battery. You can remove here. The battery inside. Okay. And 24 voltage input, power input. Okay. So in this motion control demos, we use the function is the interpolation. Linear interpolation and circle interpolation. Okay, for this function. And also, since we can support intercap to connect to our VB3E. Okay, VB3E. Our VB3 is in the intercap serial type servos. Okay. So for this is the main function is used in this demo, but we also can support the other function. For example, we have the Modbus. Here we have the Modbus. So we can communicate with our other series servo. For example, VD2, VD2L, VD2F. Okay, Modbus can support. And also CSV. They have the four channel high-speed output. So they can support VD2, VD2L series, VD2F. Okay, the three series type. Also, our CSV plus our digital output, our analog output. This V4DA analog output module. Can use this one to control VD2 series. Sorry. VD2 series servo. Okay. By voltage. Minus 10 to 10. Okay. So you can see we have the CSV. We have many ways to control the servo. Okay. This is our 6 series CPU. Okay. So go to next. You can see here CSV PLC here. We have the VD3E servo here. Yeah, VD3E. CSV PLC and VD3E servo here. Okay. Now let me show you VD3E. Okay. This is our intercap servo. Okay. Okay. The main function is they can use the intercap to communication, one in and one out. Okay. Here is the control panels, and here the power supply input. Also this here is the Type C. Okay, this is Type C to connect to the PC. Okay, this is the CN2 can connect to the DI and DOs, and this is the power supplies output to motor. And this is the encoder interface. Here is in the intercat interface, one input, one output. So the connection is like this. Okay, servo one, and one in PLC, one in and one out, and connect to the servo two. Okay, and one, then out, 3, and out, 4. Okay. By the way, our CSV maximum can support 128. Okay. So here's in our main products are used in this motion control demo kit. I will show you how to control it, and how to make it work. Okay. Okay. Okay, and this is the manual operation. Okay, so first we need to harmony. We need harmony. Okay, make sure the servos get to the home point. Okay, so we home. Okay, yeah, home. And second, we open the enable servos. Okay, enable servos. And you can close these screens, so you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay, we have the demo already. Have the demo inside, right? The demo inside. So let me draw a recom. Okay, download the G code, then run. Run. You see. So you can see our servo running is very smoothly and stable. Stable. So I think you guys maybe have a curiosity. That's how this system work. Okay, how this system can run G code. So later I will explain to you. Later I will explain to you. Okay, okay. So you can see this must this drawing is done. Okay, drawing done. So so I think I think many people have questions. How this system work? If I have one picture, I want to draw it. How can it work? Okay, now I want to explain to you. First, you got pictures, all right? Pictures. Okay, you got pictures. These pictures is type file. This type file. Okay. Then you need the software to convert to G code file. NGC. Okay. Now we got the G code file. So you have the G code files. So how machine or HMI recognize G code file? So you need to Lua. So we have a Lua script. Lua script has two very important functions. One is the extract the parameters or coordinates of G code. Okay. Second, they can understand Lua script can understand which one is for linear or circle interpolation. Okay. Then the other function of is the mapping, actually my mapping function. Why? Because all this data were stored in HMI register. So HMI register never use HMI mapping functions, then map the value to P6V PLC. Okay. So 6V PLC get a value, then they can drive. They can run the servo. This is the whole system. How whole system work? Okay, principles. Whole system principles. Okay, how this system work? Okay. So let me show you the example. Okay. Let me show you some. So first, you need to get a data F. Data F you can use in the auto CAD or other drawing software to draw the pictures. Then you can save as the data F. Okay. So in this example, I already made the data file. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna G code. Okay, this is the G code. Okay, we're gonna G code. G code here. Then open it. Using the notebook. So you need to revise the G code because some parameter you need to adjust it. Okay. So you can see this. Okay, you can see this is the original G code. Okay, we have the G1, G2. G2 is in the clockwise to draw a circle. Okay, and this G1 is in the linear interpolation, okay, to draw a line. Okay, you can see here. So the original. So I just revise some values on the G, on the J. Okay, so you can see I revise. Then okay, I just then I using the USB port TF car, okay, TF car. Okay, here is a TF car. So you can insert the TF car. So you can from here you can just copy. Yeah, copy. So TF car, and you can copy into the G code file into the flash. I already copy. Okay, so you can see from here. So let me operate again. This is the circle. Okay, let me operate again. Get home. Okay, get home. Enable. Then I want to draw a circle. Okay. Draw a circle, okay? Run. So you can see here. Okay. Okay, you can see. We already draw a circle. Okay. Harmony. Okay. Okay, let's see it. So today's live post is very short. Okay, so I hope you guys can get some knowledge of our motion control demo kits. What? You want my contact? Oh, okay. I'll show you my contact. Okay. So if you have any questions, okay, you can tell me. Okay. My email. Michael at we hyphen com .com.cn. Okay. And my WhatsApp, WeChat. Yeah. A61 A65078 7971. Okay. If you guys have any questions, just contact me. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.